It's time to create your personalized agenda called myECHO. Head to the top right corner of your screen, open your settings, and select myECHO. From there, you can create a custom agenda in two ways: by using the entire range of Echo Culture channels, or by setting up your own customized event channels. Next, give your event channel a title. Choose the categories you'd like to see in your channel, and select the regions and cities you want to follow. Finally, pick the type of events you're most interested in, for example, live performances. Once you're happy with your choices, just confirm and click Create. A short message will pop up to let you know your event channel has been successfully created and added to your account. You'll see it right there in your profile. And here's the best part. Every Thursday morning, you'll get your myECHO newsletter, a tailor-made selection of upcoming events based on your preferences.